Hey everybody, J Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So today's video is another Power Hour. It is in collaboration with some wonderful ladies here on YouTube. It is hosted by Jessica Myros, so be sure to check out their channels and the playlist that will be listed in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright people, so this vanity right here, I am going to be getting a new vanity, so I need to declutter this vanity here. This one is going to be given to my daughter. You will see me putting that in her room as well. But before I do all of that, like I said, I need to declutter some things that are in this vanity that are going to be going in my new vanity. Alright, let's do it!
I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted. And I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count at my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted. And I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. Hey, I try to shake you up all of the time. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that. that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it.
If you are new to my channel, I appreciate you being here and welcome. On my channel, I do cleaning, decluttering, and organizational type of videos. If that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. In next week's video, I will show you all my husband and I putting the vanity together that I ordered from Amazon. So be sure to subscribe to see how the vanity turns out.
Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want. Like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it. You like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you all the come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you on the come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around with me. You said that you were down, 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 down. I know that you like it. I know that you, I know that.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be there forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta know. My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know,
to stop.
So these are the things that I'm going to be keeping. Some things I have already put in the drawers there. But this stand right here has some items that I normally keep on top of my vanity. This is some jewelry here. Here's my Kleenex box. My journals, which I will place somewhere else. My weights as well, they were underneath the vanity, so I will place those somewhere else. Then these are like my head wraps and ties and my blow dryer. Now these are the items that I will be, for the most part, getting rid of, or trashing them, I would say. They're just not something that I necessarily need to keep. But yeah, I will be getting rid of these items. I want to thank Jessica Myros for putting this collaboration together, and be sure to check out the playlist of all the other participants.